So how do you actually buy a domain? Well, in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step as I'm going to be buying my own domain today using Bluehost, which is one of the greatest, if not the best, website hosters out there. So Bluehost is actually integrated with WordPress. WordPress is a website building software where you can either do drop and drag or you can do actual old school HTML, CSS, and JavaScript type of programming. But in this video series that I'm going to be recording until I actually have my website up and running, I'm going to be using drop and drag just so that we can simplify this whole process for everyone. Maybe a bit of HTML and so forth just to show you how you can edit some of the things that you cannot edit using drop and drag, right? So if you're interested in that, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you never miss the next upload on this video series that we're starting today. So basically, we're going to be buying a domain for free. This domain is actually free for first year. So once the year is over from today, 365 days from today, if I still want to continue with the same domain, I'm going to have to pay up a fee for renewing, which is around just less than $12 a year. So I get a free domain right now with Bluehost for simply paying the $2.95 monthly, which is basically on discount right now because I'm using an affiliate link. So you can use an affiliate link down below as well, so that you get a discounted price as well. As you can see, down from $7.99. So basically, you pay this monthly just for hosting. You're not paying for the domain because your domain is free for 1 year. You can also, and then the best part is that you get a free SSL certificate. I'm gonna do another video explaining what's the importance of that, and then you get a one-click WordPress install, which is what we're going to be using to build our website using the drop and drag themes and stuff like that. So anyways, let's get started with this. So Bluehost, I'm pretty sure most of you have heard about it or seen ads about it around because it is one of the greatest hosters of websites out there. Most websites are actually hosted by Bluehost and they are built using the WordPress. So basically, we're going to be going through the process of getting a domain and how it actually goes down. So let's get into it right now. So as I said, to get the same price that you're getting here is going to be down below. So just check in the description down below and then use that link. If you got any questions, I think I'm going to leave a new link to a Facebook group because we have a Telegram group, but the Telegram group is mostly for cryptocurrencies. So if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, you can join the Telegram group. But I think I should now create another Facebook group where the Facebook group is going to be mostly focused on internet marketing type of things, website building, and basically things of that nature, right? So if you're interested, you can join either one of the two or you can join both. It's up to you. It's all about just creating communities of things that are actually what people are actually interested in, so that you don't be in a cryptocurrency place when you're interested in building websites. So that's just the main reason why I'm going to create the new Facebook group. So I think by the time I upload this video, you're going to be able to see the link down below so you can get started joining that group. We already have over 65 members in our Telegram group. So this group is also going to grow quite rapid. So be one of the first few to actually join the group, and I really appreciate that. So anyways, getting started. So I'm just going to click get started. Once you click on the link down below, let's just go through and compare this for a little bit. So you get you can only host one website for the $2.95 monthly. So I'm going to go with this one because this account, I'm just going to host one website. I'm not going to add any other website. For other websites, I'm going to create a separate account because this is mostly going to be a website just for this YouTube channel. So just to help the videos rank. So that's why I'm going to create this website just on this one account. So it's going to be one. So you get 50 gig SSD storage. Here you get unlimited as well as other plans. So unlimited bandwidth, which is great. So that means you can receive any amount of traffic without your website actually slowing down. You get a free SSL certificate, which is really, really amazing. And then standard performance. So okay, this is actually the same until to the Pro, but you don't really need that when you're just starting out. And then one included domain, so which is the domain that they're going to give you for 1 year for free, and then after that you can renew it for less than $12 a year, I believe. And then you get 5 park domains, 25 subdomains. So subdomains, those are just like, let's say your website, you have a page, the contact details page, and then your website is like maybe let's say moneyonline.com, right? And then you go /contact. So those are your subdomains. So you can have up to 25 of those on this plan, and then here you can have that simply means you can have 25 pages on your website, right? And then this means unlimited. So that's just how this goes. So I'm going to be selecting this for now, but you can upgrade anytime you want, so it's not really a hassle. So I'm going to click on select on the basic, which is the $2.95. So I'm going to be using PayPal as my payment method because I'm having trouble with my bank account. I mean the credit card. Basically, it has hit its maximum for international payments. So I'm going to be using my PayPal. So if you don't know what a PayPal account is, if you don't want to use your card online, then you can just search on Google and then set up your account. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to get your account up and running, and then you just need to link it to your card so that you basically get started with the payment processes, right? Once you are here, you want to search for your domain, right? The one that you're going to get free for 1 year. So I'm going to create a new domain. It's going to be a .com because that's my favorite. So what I'm going to do, I want to buy a personal domain, so I'm just going to go with www. So basically, that's going to be my domain. That's going to be it's a personal domain. As I said, it's for my YouTube channel. I'm trying to rank my videos in Google search so that I get more views, right? So this is going to be my domain, and then I'll just hit search. So sometimes you might get your domain that is taken or it's not available. So all you have to do, you can play around. You can, let's say you wanted to create this and it's not available. You can add a dash in between the words, which makes it more legible. It makes it it's more readable, right? And then it just makes you have your domain that you already wanted, but maybe it was taken already, and then you just add a hyphen, and then it should be available. For in most cases, that's how you actually find a domain that has been bought already, or you can buy it from that person if they're selling it, but then that would be really expensive. So I'll suggest that you either add hyphens or just play around with the words and find similar ways you can actually put the domain. So you can either also change the .com to .org, .net, .online, .website, and all those kind of different ways. So it's all up to you, but I prefer the .com. So I'm just going to hit next right here, and then so that's basically going to be my domain, anselmshambira.com. So you can check. Once it's up and running, you can bookmark this domain, this link, and then just check the progress. As I said, we're gonna be going through the process, setting up this whole website, and I'm gonna be taking you through the process, right? So as you can see, the domain is available, anselmshambira.com. So that's my name and surname right there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use Google. You can either go through this, but I think I'm just going to go through, you know what, okay, I'm going to sign in with Google. So I'm going to create it with one of my Gmail accounts. Let's see if there's any that are quick to be able to sign in, then okay, we can proceed with this. Or you can go through the process of you signing up step by step with your own details and so forth. So I'm just going to go through these steps one by one and just see if you can process this. If you can make this video a little bit faster, because now I think we're almost in 10 minutes. So I just want to make this video at least under 15 minutes so that you don't have to watch the whole, a long thing and so forth. So I'm just going to go with this email right here. That's the one that I'm using for my YouTube channel, Cash Online Worldwide, Anselm Shambira. So if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn notifications so you never miss a video. Also, just hit the like button down below. I really appreciate that. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can hit me up on Facebook. As I said, the Facebook group that's going to be introduced today, as well as the Telegram group. So either way, you can get hold of me through those medias. Otherwise, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so Bluehost wants to access, okay, and then you just click on allow and then you proceed. Okay, so I signed in right here, so I'm just going to edit this quickly. Okay, so this is going to be for 36 months, that's 3 years. Hosting price, 106. Okay, so that's the total that you pay for 36 months, which is basically 3 years, right? Primary domain registration free, and then there we go. So anyways, as we progress here, package extras per month, annually it's domain privacy plus protection per month. Okay, so that's an extra 0.99. I think I'm going to get that. Site log security find per month. Let's see, how much is this? total 249. And the payment method, I'm going to select PayPal as I said. So I'm just going to select PayPal and then wait for it to redirect, right? So okay, so let's proceed and see how much I'm going to have to pay right now. Okay, so I just paused the video to check out what's the problem with my payment processor, but right now I cannot actually process this. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to make another video just to conclude on how to get how to set up your domain once you get it. But basically the process of buying it is just so this is how you basically get it. You sign in, you sign up, you put in your details and so forth, and then you just select this. So make sure you select the 36 because that's the cheapest. Or you can select this one and then just pay $76, but then that's for a year. If you remove this, yeah, if you just put on that one, that's like $71 US a year. So I still recommend that you go for 36 because I mean you're getting your website for just $106. You're basically getting it for $118. You're basically getting it up there for 3 years running, so you don't have to worry for whole 3 years. So which I think is just the best deal that I'm actually gonna get once I get my account fixed and so forth. So I'm just gonna need to fix my online payment processor and then get back to this and then see if we can proceed with the series that I said. As I said, we're going to be building up this website, anslimshambira.com. We're going to be building up from scratch. As you see, we just bought the domain now. Even though we didn't complete the process, I'm going to complete it now after recording this video. If you got any questions, don't forget to comment, subscribe, set notifications, and basically this is how you buy your domain, this is how you get started. And then the next step will be to integrate your WordPress with Bluehost so that you can get started with the process of building your website. So obviously you want to first draft your website on a piece of paper or something like that so that you just get the process going and see how you can actually do this, right, how to set up your website and so forth. Without wasting much of your time, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, as I said. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one, on the next video. So peace.